Hello, in front of me I've got KEYCHRON K4 HE. In this video I'll show you how to create and assign macro. In the beginning, let's go to KEYCHRON Launcher and go to macro. Now start recording. You can enter configuration on press down, release mouse, delays or text. Next you can change time delay between disable delay, dynamic delay and fixed delay. Now record your macro and then submit. Enter title. And now assign macro by pressing the button. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.